Hello viewers, in today's video I will show you how you can install Pixel ROM based on Android 11, how you can install on Huawei P20 Lite which is running EMUI 9.1. Viewers, this ROM is compatible with all variants of Huawei P20 Lite. First thing we need to do is to unlock the bootloader of your phone. Viewers, you need to obtain the bootloader unlock code first, which is not free. Okay, in developer options we will enable OEM unlock, and once you have enabled OEM unlock, simply switch off your phone by holding power button, and then you need to hold volume down key and connect the cable, and phone should enter fast boot mode, where you can see the phone will be showing locked. Viewers, to avoid any problems, make sure you watch the full video. If you miss any step, your phone may not boot properly. Okay, here is the code for my phone. So for every phone, code is different. You need to buy code for your phone. We will open this minimal ADB fast boot interface. I will share these files in the description of this video. You will be able to find the link. Command is fastboot space OEM space unlock space and then paste the code, the bootloader code, and press enter. When you will press enter, a warning on your phone screen will appear. You need to select yes by pressing volume up and then press power button to select that option to execute the yes command. Okay, once you select the yes, your phone should reboot and start factory reset process. So make sure you take backup of all important data on your phone, because phone will be wiped once you unlock the bootloader. Even if you don't unlock the bootloader, when you install if bootloader is already unlocked, when you install new ROM, you need to make factory reset, so your data will be wiped automatically. So make sure you take the backup. Okay, the first boot may take some time. I have just skipped that the startup, and now we are at home screen again. Okay, we need to enable files transfer mode, and make sure your phone have a micro SD card with at least 8 GB storage. We are going to copy this ROM in SD card. You cannot use internal storage. Viewers, this ROM is almost 3.4 GB, so you need to download this image, this file, zip file, and when you will extract, you will get this image file. Okay, I will give you the link in description of this video where you can download all these things. Okay, on my SD card I will make a new folder because it will be easy to locate the files. Okay, I have made a new folder with the name dload. You can give any name to this folder. Okay, once we have copied these two files, and we will verify if they are in SD card. Okay, these two files are there, NFC hotspot and ROM image. We will switch off phone again, and again you need to hold volume down and insert the cable, and phone should automatically enter fast boot mode. Now this time we will see that phone is showing unlocked, which means bootloader is unlocked now. Then we will move to computer, and here we will flash TWRP recovery. Viewers, command is fastboot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk space, and then simply drag and drop the TWRP recovery image on this CMD screen, and then press enter. Once TWRP recovery flashed, you need to disconnect phone from computer and hold volume up and power buttons simultaneously. We will keep holding these two buttons for at least 20 seconds. Okay, I will show you that if your phone screen shows a message with three options, that means buttons are not pressed properly, like this. This is wrong. You need to keep holding volume up and power buttons. Don't let the phone start, okay? Just keep holding both buttons, and you need the correct action will be when a smaller message appears, okay? When a smaller message appears on your phone screen. Now this one is correct. Now leave the buttons and let the phone start. We are in TWRP recovery. Swipe to allow modifications, and here you need to tap on wipe, then advanced wipe. Only tick in system storage, system partition, okay? Don't wipe any other partition, only system partition. We will wipe the system partition, then go back, do not reboot, okay? Then tap on install, then tap on select storage, choose SD card where we have our ROM. We will go to that folder and install image, and now you can see the Pixel Experience ROM, and select the system image partition where we want to flash this ROM, and swipe to start the flashing process. Now this flashing process will take 5 to 10 minutes depending on the speed of your SD card. My SD card is not a very fast SD card, so it is going to take a while. I will skip the video now. Okay, flashing completed. Don't reboot your phone now. Just go back to main menu of TWRP recovery and tap. Now we need to install the NFC patch. Simply select, tap on install zip, and then it will appear. Then tap on reboot and select bootloader, and do not install the TWRP image. And now phone will go to fast boot mode again. Now we need to flash the stock recovery. Viewers, this ROM will not boot with TWRP recovery. You need to flash stock recovery, and command is same: fast boot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk space, and then drag and drop stock recovery, and then press press enter button. And once stock recovery flashed, you need to disconnect phone and again hold volume up and power buttons simultaneously for 20 seconds. Same rule applies here. If message with three options appears, it means you did not press the buttons properly. You need to keep holding without letting the phone restart, okay? The correct message is the short one that you can see on your phone screen. If this message appears, you can leave the buttons, and now phone should enter stock recovery mode, where we will factory reset our phone. This is very important, otherwise your ROM will not boot properly. Okay, we are in stock recovery. Wipe data factory reset and type yes here, and this factory reset will take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I have skipped the video. Okay, we will also format the cache, and now reboot system. Viewers, first boot can take a little bit longer. Also, this phone is not the premium one, so the phone is already a slower phone, so it can take a little bit longer to boot this ROM. Viewers, this ROM is based on Android 11. Now we will wait for the startup. Okay, we will go through the initial configurations. Viewers, you can skip most of the settings. I don't need to set up this phone for my regular use, so I can skip all these settings. If you want to make these settings, you can do at startup. Otherwise, you can do all these things in settings. You can set up the screen lock, you can add your Google account, etc, etc. Everything you can do from the settings. Okay, I am just skipping everything to finish this video as quick as possible. Okay, phone has started. Okay, we can see a cleaner and faster interface, no EMUI bloatware, and the dark theme is there, which is missing in stock firmware of EMUI 9.1. Viewers, I cannot make the detailed review of this ROM because I am not using this phone as the main phone. This phone is strictly for making the videos, so I'm just showing you how you can install this ROM. I have guide for returning to stock ROM also, so if you don't like this ROM, you can go back to stock stock firmware as per your requirements. Okay, now I'm going to connect the Wi-Fi. If everything is working, I will just check the basic things. If Wi-Fi is working, Bluetooth is working, call is working, so and Play Store is working. So all these basic things I can test for you, but it is not possible for me to make a detailed review about this ROM because that is not my you can say. Okay, we are now checking the Play Store. We will see if it allows. Okay, the sign in option appears, which means we can add our Google account without any problems. I will see few other features. Okay, for Huawei there are special features like fingerprint gestures, and Huawei fast charge option is also there. You can choose at what speed you want to charge the phone. Viewers, I would like to inform you that only drawback of this ROM is once you have the custom ROM on your phone or GSI ROM, you cannot charge your phone while it's off. Yes, you cannot charge your phone if it is off or battery is completely drained. So make sure you don't let the battery die, otherwise it could be a problem for you to charge the phone. There is a way to charge the phone. I will show you in this video that how you can charge while phone is off. It will not be actually off, but see, if your battery dies, you will not be able to start the phone. So unless you have at least 3% or 5% of battery power, you cannot start the phone. So if your phone dies with 0%, then it can be difficult. So I can show you that phone is off now, and I'm connecting the charger, and you will see the charger appeared, and then screen will turn off. You will not see any sign of life, and phone is not charging. Even the light will not blink. So I am just showing you to verify that nothing remains hidden about this ROM. You must know all these problems in advance before you install this ROM. Okay, you can see the screen turned off, and there is no sign of power on phone. You don't know if the battery is charging or not charging. Even the LED, the charging light, is not blinking there. So what you need to do in this case is either charge your battery when phone is switched on. Okay, don't let the battery die, and The other option is you can enter the e-recovery mode, and e-recovery mode won't switch on your phone completely. Okay, it is kind of rescue mode for Huawei, but it allows you to charge the battery. Okay, now I am testing the root on this phone. Viewers, the method for root is same as EMUI 9.1. I have made a detailed video about EMUI 9.1 root. You can find the link of that video in the description of this video. Okay, you can follow same guide to root this ROM also. It is same method, same files, everything is same as for EMUI 9.1. okay, there are two videos. One is older and the new one is for the which one I have recorded in 2022. That video guide you need to use for root. Okay, I have simply flashed the patched recovery and installed the latest Magisk manager. Actually, I'm using the Magisk 23.0 version. I am not using the 24.3 because modules are not available in latest version. So our main requirement is installing the root. We don't need the latest version for that. Viewers, if you don't hold volume up and power buttons while starting your phone with root access, your phone will not show root access. If you want your phone to boot with root access, you need to hold volume up and power buttons. Make sure you hold volume up and power buttons if you want your phone to be started with root access. Okay, because of this ROM, the phone does not automatically reboot to recovery mode. I don't know what is the reason, but this is how you can bypass this limitation. Okay, same method you use to enter recovery mode, you need to use same combination to manage your root access on this ROM. So basically same method of rooting EMUI 9.1, but the only difference is you need to hold volume up and power buttons while you are starting your phone in order to enable root access. And we will actually, it is same. I will try to pass safety net only for your information. It is same method, almost same. There is no difference at all. You need to flash hide props, you need to flash redo. If you are going to install EdXposed, then you need to flash redo version, which I have provided in this video. If you flash latest redo version, you will not be able to install exposed. So if you only want root access, you can flash any version of redo. If you want to install EdXposed also, then you must use the version which I have provided. You can find the link in the description where you can download all files, all required files for this tutorial. I will share all files except the ROM you can download from GitHub. I have just copied the safety net, and you can also download the safety net. The latest version for redo is 2.1.3, so you can install that version. Actually I have it on my computer and I have copied from there. So for you it is better if you follow my video for EMUI 9.1 root. Okay, I will give you the link in description of this video. I am repeating again and again. Okay, we have already verified the safety net, and the EdXposed will also work. I know if root worked, then EdXposed will also work. We will install the latest EdXposed reroute. Okay, you need to install the EdXposed reroute from modules installation menu. Okay, search for EdXposed and it will show you reroute EdXposed, and you should download and install it. And after that you need to install the latest EdXposed manager. That's all. But make sure every time you want to start your phone, hold volume up and power buttons, otherwise your root will not be enabled, and any modifications you made with root access, they will be lost. Okay, when system starts without root access. So that is the only drawback of this ROM, you can say. It is not a drawback actually. This is the only way to bypass this restriction. Okay, this restriction is because of Huawei. No developer is interested in working with Huawei right now, so we have to bypass these things which are creating problem for us. Okay, even after EdXposed, a safety net is passed, and EdXposed is working fine. I am not going to test any modules. You can install modules of your own choice if you want. Make sure you know what are you doing with your phone. I am not responsible for any mistakes. Okay, the phone is running Pixel ROM Android 11 on P20 Lite. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos in future.